Okay, post-apocalypse here. Post-apocalypse over here. I made some improvements to the post-apocalypse thing. Okay. First, if... Yeah, I should be able to. Alright, first, I put rubber bands that you can also use as tinder. I took the water purification tablets out to put it on here. This morning I actually put this here, some both beeswax for more medical or fire or whatever I need, or both actually. I put the instruction. Okay, I put two bandanas. I put, you can see right here, that is the instructions for the purification tablets. In another pocket, I'm going to be, carrying this. The Moray, I believe it's benches. And that's because I have some fishing and all this. I'm going to be carrying fishing line in the other pocket. So, either way, right? Now, I knew I was going to use the two bandanas, but I was like, I couldn't find them. Really. This is pretty secured, so plus I can use these as fire tinder, which is pretty cool. The bands, I can use them as a tourniquet. I made a tourniquet if I need to in this fall situation. So yeah, I will be adding like those little things, the little saber cards. One of the good ones though. I can, so yeah. This has been an improved one. I improved it because I was like, you know what? I need to improve it. I need to make it a better type of kit. Like I can actually have one hand, basically, just if need be. Now, a 12-pound test would be perfect for a decent sized fish. Or to use this as shelter building, what have you. Right? Fish lines that do all, basically. I believe these are the fabric bandages. I believe. Yeah, this is basically the same thing as the cross one. I had to think for a minute. Basically, 30 bandages, which is let me see if these are all one size bandages too, by the way. Look like they found them. But yeah. Put that over there. So yeah. Also, if I can shine this, I can use it as signaling too. Maybe. So, hey. Right. Anyway, that's been the improved post-apocalypse kit. Please tell me this is on. Yeah. Yeah. This is backup cordage for, because I wear paracord a lot. So, yeah. Anyway, this has been Post-Apocalypse Survival. Hope you survived in the wasteland, and this has been the improved Post-Apocalypse Ranger Kit. God bless, and peace.